platinum cutter is larger in diameter of the base by 2 inches all the way around, and it's 200 pounds heavier due to the base enlarging. This is important because rotating mass leads to better cutting speed. Because of the rotating mass, we had to put a damper system in the drive system. It's called the Easy Drive system, and it absorbs the shock of all that rotating mass, and the hard work that's being done by the cutter is not transferred into the drive motor. This leads to a lot longer life for the drive motor. We can also cut a larger diameter than the gold system. We go all the way out to 72 inches. That's 12 inches larger than the gold series cutter. We can also cut deeper. We cut 2 inches deeper. We can cut 16 inches deep as opposed to 14 on the gold. The machine ships with this handy transport hub for the speed plate. When you remove the speed plate from your manhole frame and you want to move to the next cut, you simply put the speed plate on there and transport it. Very handy. The cutter also has a built-in tie down to secure the cutter on the trailer when you're moving it from job to job. It's a lot easier to secure it for transport. This also acts as a place to hang the roll-up debris shield when you're moving from hole to hole. Very convenient. The platinum cutter, in addition to its other features, has been totally redesigned to accommodate the cookie cutter add-on package. This allows 9 inches of additional space under the cutter to fit the centering device of the cookie cutter in. So we've got 9 inches when we're all the way to road level with our cut. The gold, on the other hand, when it's fully engaged with the road, cutting 14 inches deep, the bottom of the cutter is on the road, leaving no room. It also only cuts 60 inches in diameter, where the platinum will cut the 72 we need for the cookie cutter.